Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on types of binary trees. In the previous video, we are already discussed about what is binary tree and how to perform the insert operation on binary tree that can be discussed in the previous video. Now in this video, we have to discuss about types of binary trees. There are four types of binary trees are there. First one is full binary tree. Second one is complete binary tree. Third one is degenerated binary tree. And fourth one is perfect binary tree. First one is full binary tree. So what is full binary tree? Full binary tree is a binary tree in which each node can have 2 children or 0 children. Okay, that means a node may have 2 children or a node does not have any child. This is one definition. Next, we go for another definition. A full binary tree is a binary tree in which each node can have 2 children except the leaf nodes. Okay, so that means except the leaf nodes, every node in the full binary tree can have exactly 2 children. So that is called as full binary tree. Okay, now this is the example of full binary tree. Okay, each node can have 2 children except the leaf nodes according to the first definition. So node A has how many number of children? B and C, 2 children. Okay, node B has 2 children, D and E. Node C has 0 children. Okay, node D has 0 children. Okay, node E has 2 children, F and G. Node F has 0 children. Node G has 0 children. So C, D, F, G have 0 children. A, B, E have 2 children. Okay. So full binary tree property is satisfied. Each node can have 2 children or 0 children. Okay. Next, second definition. Except the leaf nodes, every node in the full binary tree can have 2 children. So here D, F, G, C are leaf nodes because they do not have any child. Next, A, B, E are not leaf nodes, they are internal nodes. Okay, so that have 2 children. A has 2 children, B and C. B has 2 children, D and E. And E has 2 children, F and G. So 3 vertices A, B, E have 2 children. And 4 vertices D, F, G, C have no children because they are leaf nodes. So both the definitions satisfied by this tree. Hence we can say that this is a full binary tree. Okay. Next, in full binary tree, the number of internal nodes can be calculated as number of internal nodes in the full binary tree. Number of leaf nodes in the full binary tree is equal to number of internal nodes plus 1. Okay. So here number of internal nodes. Internal nodes means the nodes that have the children. Here A has 2 children, B has 2 children, E has 2 children. So these are the internal nodes. So A, B, E are the internal nodes. Then number of leaf nodes is equal to number of internal nodes or 3, A, B, E plus 1. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. So here how many number of leaf nodes are there? D, F, G, C. So 4 leaf nodes are there. So the property is satisfied. So one of the important property of full binary tree is equal to number of leaf nodes in the full binary tree can be calculated as number of internal nodes plus 1. So here in this figure, number of internal nodes are 3. So 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Number of leaf nodes in that full binary tree is 4. That are D, F, G and C. Next one. Maximum number of nodes in a particular height h in the full binary tree is equal to 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. So this formula is used for calculating the maximum number of nodes in a particular height h. Okay. So now consider this is the full binary tree because except the leaf nodes, each node can have 2 children. Node 1 has 2 children, 2 and 3. Node 2 has 2 children, 4 and 5. Node 3 has 2 children, 6 and 7. So this is a full binary tree. But leaf nodes does not have any children. So in that one, here 0. Height 0 means root node to this node. Root node to this node. This node is a root node. Root node to root node, height is equal to 0. H is equal to 0 means height from root node to root node. So that is 0. How many number of nodes are there? Here h is equal to 0. So 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. So here h is equal to 0. 2 power 0 plus 1 minus 1. So that is 2 power 1 minus 1. That is equal to 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1. At h is equal to 0, maximum number of nodes is equal to 1. So here h is equal to 0, maximum number of nodes is equal to 1. Next, h is equal to 1 means height from root node to these nodes. Height from root node to these nodes. Okay, that means level 0 to level 1. Level 0 to level 1. So how many number of nodes are there? So now 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Now h is equal to 1. 2 power 1 plus 1 minus 1. So that is 2 power 2 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. So maximum number of nodes at height h is equal to 1 is 3. That means first node, second node, third node. H is equal to 1 means, so from this place to this place. How many number of nodes are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 nodes are there. Next, h is equal to 2. H is equal to 2 means, so height from root node to these nodes. Okay. So h is equal to 2 means 2 edges. 1 edge, 2 edge. Okay. How many number of nodes are there at h is equal to 2? So that means, so 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. So 2 h is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 minus 1. 2 power 3 minus 1. So that is 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7 nodes are there. At h is equal to 2, how many number of nodes are there? 7 nodes. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. H is equal to 2 means level 0, level 1, level 2. H is equal to 2 means nodes in level 0, nodes in level 1, nodes in level 2. H is equal to 1 means nodes in level 0 and nodes in level 1. H is equal to 0 means nodes in level 0. For example, one more level is there. H is equal to 3 also. Suppose H is equal to 3. So that means, so these have 2 child, these have 2 child, these have 2 child. Okay. How many number of nodes are there? Now h is equal to 3 means number of nodes in level 0, plus number of nodes in level 1 plus number of nodes in level 2 plus number of nodes in level 3. So h is equal to 3. So now we have to substitute it 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. 2 power h is equal to 3. So 3 plus 1 minus 1. 2 power 4 minus 1, that is equal to 16 minus 1, that is equal to 15. Okay, at h is equal to 3. So 15 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So maximum number of nodes in height 3 is 15. Okay, so this is the most important formula. So this is the description about full binary tree. Okay, next we go for complete binary tree.